I'm going to show you how to install extensions or add-ons on your Google Docs document in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is go to your Google Docs document. In my case, I just created this test document right here. So I'm going to open it, and then you will see this option where it says extension. So click right there and then go to add-ons and get add-ons. In my case, I don't have any right now, but you can see all the add-ons that Google Docs supports. You can get, for example, AI extensions or get free images with Pixabay, which is like a large image pool. You can see also the ratings and the downloads this plugin has, so you can make sure you only download useful and working extensions. So for example, you can go to the section it says works with docs. So go to view more and you will see a lot of different extensions you can get. You can even filter by, for example, if you want them free, if you want high rated only. So I'm gonna set these settings, and then you can navigate and even search for a specific extension right here. And after you find the one you want, so for example, in my case, I'm going to do this one, you need to click on install. So after that, you need to select your account and give it the right permissions. So allow it. And now after the extension has been installed, you need to go to extensions right here and you will see it. So in this case, I downloaded an extension to create and print labels. So I can now create labels by clicking that button. And now the label maker will pop up here and I can select a template. So obviously this will change depending on the type of extension you download, but that's it. That's the process you need to follow if you want to download extensions on Google Docs. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.